Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. I'm ready. I gotta turn on my lights. I think you guys can see me just fine.
Da
Yeah,
da da
that's good.
da 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 da. Da da
15 people.
da 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 da. Bum bum.
Sorry guys for no intro. I don't feel like it, so.
That's one way to get people to subscribe to you, huh?
I've actually gained 4
Oh,
subscribers in the past 2 days. I think. Maybe
nice.
4 days. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, oh. Wait, dude, are you in?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're in.
I'm
Okay.
I'm in the sky though, apparently. I can't see anything.
Hey, I found a
Oh wait, no,
premium
I'm good.
fridge already.
What? Already? What?
Yeah.
This is some bullcrap. Oh, I'm getting such huge lag. Oh my god. Oh. Wait, hang on.
Yeah. There's this Aztec temple. Wait, what the frick?
Dude, I'm
I
getting
can just...
such massive lag.
Boots allow me to jump!
They do?
Like I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
She didn't wear boots. She had an umbrella. Stupid.
I know, but I don't care.
I know, but I don't care.
Okay? Striking flashlight. What? What does this do?
I jumped off on accident.
Well, that's stupid.
I don't have any weapons right now. No! Ooh, what's that? Mine.
Aztec
Whee!
coins.
Whee! I love this game mostly because I get money from it. I got dibs. Oh, you son of a gun! I'm gonna shoot you.
You should have said it later. You should have said it quicker.
Well, by the time you got it, I just realized it was there. You jerk. Oh, I called dibs. Aha. Switch to a pistol. Switch to a pistol. I'm gonna go to the other Aztec temple. Oh my god, did you even see this huge one over here?
Which one?
The one over here.
Oh, wow.
You wanna go
All
to
right.
that one? Let's
go over.
Let's go, dude. We're gonna find so much treasure over here.
Look at me!
I don't care.
I'm jumping!
I don't care. I don't care that you took advantage and just stole my friggin' loot.
Hey, is a Beretta good?
A Beretta? Yeah. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
I got an MP41 and Car 98K. There's a SWAT helmet if you don't have
Ooh,
you don't have a helmet.
Where's that? Where's the SWAT helmet? Where's that? Where's the SWAT helmet? Oh, right there. Oh,
Oh my, yeah.
Don't you sass me, boy. I'm not the one who's actually
I
moving
will
this game.
sass you. I don't care.
Come on. Got him. Okay, how do we get in this temple is the
All
real
right.
question.
We probably can't, to be
No.
honest.
No, there's a door right next to you, genius.
Oh wait, no, there is. There we go. For some strange reason, I have something called a striking flashlight.
Do you want head armor or you have a striking flashlight? Oh, it's something you beat people with. It's a flashlight that you on everybody with. Nah, I'm not gonna switch my guns right now. Okay, so apparently this temple is huge, but there's not that much to explore on the inside. There's 15 Aztec gold, which I'm keeping.
Oh, I found Molotov cocktail.
Can I have that, please? Oh, okay.
3 souls with 7 league boot jumps. How do I do 7 league boot jumps?
I don't know, man. You're gonna kill yourself. Man, there's a lot of stuff by this temple. Some good stuff. Okay, so I'm trying to figure something out. Okay, so I'm gonna get on top of the temple. Because apparently I have, like, the best climb you've ever seen. Let's see if I can actually climb this. Of course I can't climb that.
Oh, jeez! Jeez!
What? What happened? What'd you do?
Oh, I accidentally activated my Molotov. Oh look, I found a tactical loot fridge.
Oh my gosh. I call dibs. Haha. Got him.
Oh, what the?
Fine. You know what? Be a baby. Here you go. There. It's on the ground. Right here. Oh, what the?
Oh, Jesus! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, that's some bull crap.
He just
right
appeared
there.
out of nowhere!
Yeah, he's just like, hey guys.
Oh my god!
What the heck, man?
Oh, that's
so messed up,
stupid.
It is stupid, I know, and it's messed up. Why would he? How did he just appear out of nowhere? Here, I'm gonna have you join my game because apparently your game was laggy a little.
Ah. Hold on. There. Promote to squad chief. There.
What a privilege! Oh my god.
Alright, one more game and I'm heading to bed.
Okay, man. Let's do this. Let's do this. One more game with you, then I'm gonna practice all I want.
Alright.
You're just in my way, you know. Nothing personal. No offense, you know. You're just a burden. Just saying. I got this cool little iridescent dog. It's dopamine. Why is it taking forever?
I don't know.
I'm triggered. It's taking so long. So apparently the magic in this game is that you have to like buy the characters with magic. Apparently, I don't know. I think that's what it is. Turn this off. Hurting my eyes. You can still see me just fine. Hi. Better.
Okay. Time to go loot some stuff.
Oh, you're already in? I'm not even in yet.
Yeah.
I'm still loading. Okay, I'm in the sky. Okay, I'm on the ground. Okay. Okay, I got 4 times scope up here, which probably is gonna help anything. Okay. Is in this house, what's in here? I don't know.
Oh, look! It's near the temple. It's
Huh?
well, it's near a temple. I don't know if it's the same one.
Oh,
Come
wait,
on, follow me.
I don't see what you're seeing. Why do you have that on your back? Why are you like carrying around a medical sack?
Because it gives me regeneration.
Yeah, that's gonna help really good. I call dibs on any weapons that are up here. Come on, gosh dang it. Climb. Climb, boy. Climb. Ooh, an explosion pack. Don't mind if I do. Ooh, I found a thing. A fridge. What was it?
Found a fridge?
I found it, a fridge. Oh, dibs on the shoddy.
What is there?
Sodded. You can get that helmet if you really want.
Nice.
Oh wait,
Oh,
I
look,
call dibs on that.
large.
Dibs. I need that ammo. I need that good ammunition, man. You want that? Oh, I'm gonna get it. I did call dibs anyway. Okay, let's see here. What? Why'd you, Damien? No smoking, okay? That's not cool, man.
I don't know, but come on. I don't even know what kind of buffs it gives.
True. Could give you like friggin' powers and you could be godlike at this game. Do you hear
You hear
a
that?
helicopter? Yeah, I hear a helicopter. Oh, somebody killed somebody. That's not surprising at all. I'm so tempted to shoot your damn
I'm not saying
butterfly.
anybody.
How did you get the halo
Why?
last time? Oh, dude, is there boats? Is there boats? Can we get boats? Haha. I'm so sorry, guys, if this is laggy for you. I'm not planning on it to be laggy. It's just my horrible internet connection.
Man, I miss my boots.
You jump like a
Those
freaking
I had
frog.
some bunny shoes. Yeah, those were freaking cool.
There's a bus.
No
right
wonder
here.
why this game's awesome.
There's a bus if you want.
Oh, there's nothing here?
Wait, no. I see
Alright,
something.
let me get in.
Hang on. Don't you dare. Right here.
Yeah, I tried. What? Oh.
Oh, right there.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to turn around, man.
Alright,
Oh,
back
you
it up,
were
back it
already
up.
being
back it
shot
up,
at,
back it up.
really? Oh, come on. No,
No,
I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
I
I'm
don't
about
think
to
we're
die.
being shot at.
I am literally
Oh,
about to die,
jeez.
and you're telling me we're not being shot at. Oh, I see someone. Wait, no. I don't see anybody. What the heck? I
Where
died. I died.
Frick!
They're in a...
Frick.
Dang it.
Okay, how do I get your heart?
I don't know, man. Why would you even want to get my heart? If I just get out of there, man. Don't even try to fight them off. Just go. Yeah.
I want to get a kill.
I'll get a kill. I think they're behind those trees to be completely. Oh, I see him. To your
Yep,
left, to your
they're
left, to your
behind
left.
the trees.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Better
hold
run.
on.
Yeah. This is where all the PUBG training comes to play. Like,
Why the frick didn't I shoot? Oh, come on! Oh, what? There was a guy behind
there was
me!
a guy behind you, really?
Oh, man! Yes, there was!
I didn't see him.
That's
honestly.
a ball!
Okay.
Oh my god.
I think it's time for you to leave, right? Unless you want to play another one. It's your choice, though.
Nah, man, I'm good. I don't want to play anymore. Anyways, you have a good time entertaining people, alright?
Okay, you
Bye-bye.
too, man. See ya.
See ya. Hold on.
Well, I hope you guys did enjoy that episode. Sorry for the no intro. I was kind of busy doing whatever I was doing. If you guys did enjoy this video, I'm gonna say the outro though. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what I should do next. Subscribe for this awesome content and like the video if you want to see more. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Stay awesome, guys.